Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a Razer Blackwidow keyboard. This is Razer Blackwidow 2013, so it's pretty old. But usually I just clean it every 6 months, and since it still works, I had no reason so far to replace it. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I clean the keyboard. What you will need is rubbing alcohol, some napkins, actually a lot of napkins, baby wipes just to clean the sides. This plastic, not the keys behind the buttons. And you need like a credit card or something like this micro SD, just to grab and remove the buttons. It is a good idea to just make some pictures before you start everything, so you will know the keys layout, meaning where to place the keys back, because most likely you will not know where they should be placed. You can just Google and find the keyboard layout in Google, but it's just a good idea to just make some pictures. In this case, this Razer keyboard has some custom fonts, and it's not that easy to just recognize the keys and where they should be placed. Like C can be can look more like U, so C and U look similar, so you might not know exactly where to place them. And besides these items that you need to clean, it's also a good idea, when after you remove all the keys, to just use a vacuum and pull everything that's behind the buttons. And one aspect to consider is that some keys should not be removed. The space, shift, I think backspace, I'm not sure. There are some keys that have some metallic elements, so it's not easy to just remove them. You'll need some tools, and also it will be difficult to just put them back, and it's just better to just leave them as they are. So I'm going to start to remove the keys. Just place the card behind the key and start to remove them. After a while, you will be able to just remove the keys by hand. You will not need this. Like in this case, I can just remove them easily. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks without the buttons. So these buttons should be left as they are. As I said, you can just clean them as best as you can, because they have some metallic elements, and it's just difficult to, like, I'm going to show you. If I just pull the button, it will still be attached here. If you do that, just press it back, and it should remain like that. You can just clean it with a Q-tip. Also, I forgot to say that you'll need some Q-tips. As you can see, it's a lot of dirt here, and at this point I'm just gonna take the vacuum and vacuum pretty much everything that I can from here. After that, I'm going to use a Q-tip to just remove everything that I can. Then I'll just clean the buttons with rubbing alcohol. So let's see how it goes. So after using the vacuum, this is how it looks. So I was able to remove a lot of dust from there, and then I'm just gonna use some baby wipes to just clean the sides. You need to be very careful not to lose any buttons. Okay. Like this. Also need to wipe the buttons that I said that should not be removed. Yeah, so you should use rubbing alcohol for this as well, because it's a lot of grime in there. So how to use it? Careful not to spill inside the like this on every key. Okay, and once you do that, you should start with the rest of the keys. You need to keep count the ones that have been cleaned and those that are not yet. And this will take like at least 30 minutes, maybe even more. You need to go on each side of the button, use rubbing alcohol, clean it like this, set it to dry, and that's pretty much it. After that we need to just put back the keys, and the keyboard will be just as new. Just need to use a lot of napkins. Okay, so after around 30 minutes I finished cleaning all the keys, and now it's time to install them back on the keyboard. This will also take quite a bit because it's like a puzzle. There are many buttons, and they need to be placed in the right spot. Okay, and let's begin. So as I said before, taking the keys off, you should make a picture, or maybe 2 or 3, so you can capture all the keyboard layout. And after you clean the keys and you need to set them back, you can just check the picture and just insert the keys. So I'm going to start to put back the keys. Not gonna record this because it will take quite a while, and I need to use the phone to just check the keyboard layout, and let's see at the end how the keyboards looks after being cleaned. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks after being cleaned. Looks quite well for a keyboard that has been used for 6 or 7 years, I'm not sure exactly. It took overall about an hour, maybe a bit more, an hour and 20 minutes, but this process can be done like every 6 months, so I don't think it's a major issue. Hopefully it will last for more years, because I got used to this keyboard, and Probably the new versions, the modern ones, are better, but who knows. I've noticed that Razer has changed the materials. The plastic is not that high quality as it was for their older products, so we will have to see. So this is how you can clean a mechanical keyboard, in this case a Razer Blackwidow 2013. I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.